blast furnace. After concentration of oxide ores of iron, it is mixed with limestone and coke. Then this mixture is fed into the blast furnace from its top. In this blast furnace, hot air is blown from the bottom of the furnace. Coke is burned with the release of temperature up to 2200 Kelvin. This provides the required temperature for the process. Iron oxide combined with carbon atom produces iron and carbon monoxide. This is the main reduction in this process. At the lower temperature, iron oxides are reduced to its simpler form. Carbon atom with carbon dioxide produces 2-carbon monoxide. Iron oxide with carbon monoxide produces iron and carbon dioxide. Limestone is decomposed into calcium monoxide. This removes the salicylate impurities in the form of slag. The molten iron is separated from the slag. The iron obtained is called as pig iron. This contains about 4% of carbon and other impurities in small amount.